Hey mob, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all see this colorful wig I got on my head. Today's video will be sponsored by Vshow hair, and it is this beautiful kinky curl ginger colored wig that is totally different. But if you want to see exactly how I styled it, just keep on watching. Alright, so as usual, I'm going to start off with an unboxing. So the box is actually really pretty, and then on the back of the box it says, "Don't forget that you are the queen." I thought that was really cute. Now the box is going to come with this pamphlet. Make sure you pay attention to that, especially if you get the same hair texture that I get, because it's going to give you hair care instructions on how to care for the wig, okay? But look at this color, you guys. This color is absolutely beautiful. Now this is a 4x4 lace closure. It is 26 inches. Again, the color is a ginger color, and it is a kinky curl type of texture. So first, you guys know that when it comes to my closures, I do completely glueless, which means no glue, no spray. So what I'm doing is I'm sewing on the elastic band on one end to the other. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch this part, but just so you know, if you're interested in buying like a roll of elastic band for your wigs, you can definitely get that off of Amazon or your local beauty supply store. The thread I got from my local beauty supply store, as well as the needle. Alright, so boom, it's done. Quick and easy, right? So I already have my makeup done because this is going to be a 1, 2, 3 wig install. So I'm gonna go ahead and fit the wig to my head. I'm gonna kind of see exactly how it looks on me. Now, like I said, this is a kinky curl, so just so you know, please do not try to detangle this hair with it just being dry like that, okay? I made the mistake of doing that, but luckily I didn't go overboard. I was just finger detangling because I wanted to see exactly how I wanted to style the wig. I kept it very light, but I recommend finger detangling over using like a comb or a brush or anything like that because the curls are so tight. Any other day though, make sure that you are using water and some conditioner in the wig, which I actually end up doing later on in the tutorial, just not on camera. So far, I'm completely loving the wig. I'm loving the way the color looks on me. I'm kind of getting into it. And also, I do love the way that it's laying. It's laying completely flat, which is a good thing. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and just section off to do the plucking of the front. So I just section maybe like an inch back away from the hairline, and I pluck that. Then I do another part and pluck that. Then I comb it all back to see exactly how it looks. And if I need to pluck more, then I will go ahead and pluck more. Surprisingly, I didn't have to do too much. It felt like I had to do a lot, but now that I'm thinking about it, I really didn't have to do too much. Also, this is a closure, so I didn't have to do like the entire hairline. I did just enough to make it look natural versus how the wig originally came in. Alright, so now I'm just combing it back just to see exactly how the hairline looks, and I'm going to give you guys a slow-mo, also a close-up, just so you see the difference. It's a slight difference versus the other side. So at first I was thinking of doing just a middle part, but then I ended up deciding I wanted to do like flat twists, but I'll show you guys that in a second. The wig isn't layered in the front, so I just felt like me just leaving it as a middle part, it wasn't gonna look right on my face. But originally I wanted a middle part, so as you guys can see, I'm just plucking the center. Just be careful though, like, you know, be very light-handed because you don't want to accidentally pluck a hole into your lace. Alright, so now it's time to cut off the additional lace. So I just went ahead and used my scissors and I just cut a straight line right in the middle, and then I used my razor to cut off the additional lace. And then you're gonna see me go back in with the scissors just to get those little pieces that's like on the end of the closure, basically where it is sewn onto the rest of the wig cap. Alright, so we're pretty much done. So this is when I decided that I wanted to do flat twists in the front. Like, as you guys can see, the middle part looks cute and all, but I would have had to cut layers in the front of my head, and I didn't feel like doing all that just to make it look even better. So I just decided to do flat twists, which is probably one of my go-tos when it comes to closures. And if the texture is curly hair, the flat twists always look cute. So I'm gonna do 2 flat twists right in the front. I'll have you guys watch and I'll come back towards the end. Alright, so as I'm finishing up here, I just want to give my final thoughts on the wig. Personally, I do like the wig. I was actually really surprised at the color. I wasn't too sure if it was going to look right on me, but it did. Now the hair texture, again, kinky curly. You are going to have a little bit of shedding because curly hair sheds. So I definitely recommend that you guys read that pamphlet or just automatically use water and a little bit of conditioner in your hair before you detangle it. And I prefer finger detangling. Do not use a comb or a brush. If you do use a comb, use a wide tooth comb, but I prefer finger detangling. So this is how the hair looked after I finger detangled and used some water and conditioner. As you guys can see, the hair is looking lovely. Did poof up later on, especially because I kept playing with it, but it definitely is cute. So I want to thank Vshow one more time for sponsoring today's video. All the information and a discount code will be listed in the description box down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.